So whatever equipment you have, just bring it along. For the people who have resistance band, hold a longer band. If you are, so there are two types of bands. One is the longer, one is the shorter. I'll be using tube here because I still have to order my longer band. But then if you have a longer band, bring that. Now what do you have to do? So this is the kind of loop that your longer band has. Okay, yes. Now place your leg on this loop, okay, and take one leg back. So stand in a lunge stance. Alright, hold the tube like this. Now bend down, pull up and down, pull up and down, up and down. So as you go down, you need to pull up. Alright, let's practice this movement, everyone. Yes, Bharat, yours is fine. Rishabh, you will do a normal lunge. Yes.
We need to do a lunge?
Yes, yes. So Bhavna, you don't have a longer dumbbell, so you can, so longer band, you can hold dumbbells. Yes, Shweta, you want to ask something? Okay, all right. Just observe everyone, just do 2, 3 on each side. So you place your leg on the loop, take one leg back. This is your lunge stance. Now from here, pull, go down, up, pull, go down, up, pull, go down, up. All right, yes. Let's
Will
practice.
this work?
This is a Thera band. This is a Pilate band. This will not work. Temporarily you can use it, but in the long run it will not work. Okay, I've shared the link in the group, so those two bands you need to buy.
So should I
Rishabh,
use dumbbells?
right now you can use this band, not an issue.
Okay.
Okay, just try. Everyone, please try these exercises. Before we start the workout, you need to try it. Yes, Rishabh, do a normal lunge. Just show me your normal lunge, how you will be doing it. Yes. Okay. Yes. So Rishabh, just one thing, take a longer step. Okay, your step is shorter in length. Take a slightly longer step. Okay, otherwise it is fine. Yes, good, Deepa. Yours is fine. Yes, Shweta, you need to keep your chest out and back straight. Mukund, yours is fine. Bharat, yours is fine. Okay. All right, relax everyone. Now what we are going to do is we will be doing this movement for 40 seconds and then 20 seconds rest and so on, 3 sets. Then we move to the next movement. All right, let's get ready. Hold your resistance bands. I'm going to switch on my timer to 40 seconds. One leg 40 seconds. Okay. Starting in, take your position. Hold the loop like that. Starting in 3, 2, 1, start. 40 seconds of split squats with the tube started. Yes. So I'll just keep repeating this movement for you so that you know what it is. It's down and up. Down and up. Yes, Bhavna, do usual lunges. It's okay if you don't have the band.
Yeah,
Just
yeah.
do lunges.
Mehek, one question. Do we have to hold it or do it?
So see, what you have to do is, so you are here. It is a lunge. Down, up. Down, up. Alright? Yes, keep doing that. Down and up. Relax. Okay, now another 40 seconds on the other leg. Change your position. 5 seconds to go. Starting in 3, 2, 1, go. Yes. Deepa, make sure you don't straighten the leg full, the front leg full. Don't straighten it full. And Mukund, bend the back leg. It is one leg 40 seconds. Everyone. Shweta, you don't need to touch your knee on the floor. Down, up. No, no. Up. You will hurt yourself. 10 more seconds, everyone. Relax. Okay. Yes. Anybody has any issues?
Mehak, what did you mean by not straightening the leg?
So yes. So what do I mean by that is that you are here in the lunge. Okay. And as you go down, so this is your start position. You go down, you come up. Okay. Don't straighten this leg every time. So what you are doing is you are going down, coming up.
Got
Going
it.
down, coming up. Don't do that.
Okay.
Okay. This
Okay.
has to remain there. And Mukund, your leg is very, the stance is very.
Mukund is in a call, Mehak, he won't be able to hear you. He has earbuds.
Alright, so, okay, fine. Then I should not be conveying it.
He's doing it, but he's not
Okay,
able to
okay.
hear
So
you.
that's just a minor issue. I'll tell him later. Not an
Okay.
issue. Okay. All right. Second set, everyone. Let's get ready. One leg at a time. 40 seconds. Starting in 3, 2, 1. Go. One leg lunge started. Yes. Very good, Bharat. Very nice. Good, Shweta. Yes, Deepa, try to pull up, yes. Pull, very good. Relax. Okay. Change your side. Starting in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go. Yes, down and up. Yes. Yes, Bhavna, try going down further. Five, 4, 3, 2, 1. Relax. Okay. Now let's move to the next movement. Next we have is in-out squats. Okay. Rishabh, I'll alter this movement for you. Alright. So others, let's see what are we going to do. So you will wear a smaller band.
Mehak, 3 sets or two sets only?
2 sets. For this one we have 2 sets. Okay. Some movement have 2, some movement have 3. Okay. Alright. So take a smaller band and wear it like this. Okay, everyone, wear the band. Everyone, wear your band like this. If you have a longer band, what you are going to do is, so this is your band. You are going to tie it around your legs like that. Okay, tie it up or use a shorter band. Shweta, tie up your band like this. Yes, you can put a knot. Okay, now just observe what we are going to do, everyone. So, we take the side, so we stand with our shoulder length apart in a normal squat stance, hands in front. Take a wide step, squat. Normal stance, squat. Change your leg. Wide step, squat. Normal stance, squat. Wide, squat. Normal, squat. Wide, squat. Normal, squat. Got it? Yes? So one side wide, normal, then other side wide, normal. Okay? Just try this movement before we start the workout. Just try it. Wider squat. Yes, Rishabh, I am coming to you. Just let me observe them. Closer, squat, yes. Yes, I think we are good. Alright. Okay. So let me switch on my stopwatch. We'll start the workout. Rishabh, for you, you will be doing deadlifts. So hold your dumbbells in your hands. Let me just show you. So these are your dumbbells. You hold the dumbbells right here. Bend down and come up. Okay. Now just watch it. So when you bend down, you fold your knees from here and you come up. Yes, fair enough, fair enough. Change your camera angle. I need to see your upper body. Down, up, down, up. Just change your camera angle. I need to see your upper body. Yes. Back should be straight. Don't hunch your back. Yes. Okay. Just don't go down too much. Just an inch or so and come back up. Okay. All right. Just come up from here. Okay. All right. Let's start the workout. 40 seconds. Starting in 3, 2, 1, go. Yes. Wider. Now with the resistance band, you should make sure that your knees don't come together. Okay. That is the resistance that you're putting across. Yes. 10 more seconds. Rishabh, are you able to bend like this? Up and down like this. Leave the dumbbells. Drop the dumbbells. Just bend down like this and come up. Are you able to do it? Yes. Just do it 10 times. Down and up. Back straight. Don't hunch your. Relax everybody else. Yes. So back straight. So when you go down, look, there is no hunch in the back. Okay. Bend down and come back up. Do it. Down and up. Okay. Okay. Don't go down too much. Just go. Yes. Come up from here. Yes. Very good. Down and up. Yes. Perfect. Just do it 10 times. Yes. Good. Okay. Relax, Rishabh. So this is what you will be doing while holding the dumbbells. Okay. Yes. All right. Let's get ready. Second set, everyone. Take your position. Starting in 3, 2, 1, go. Squats. Yes. Out squat. Normal squats. Yes. Bhavna, go down further from your hips. Down further. Yes. There you go. Good. Yes. Good, Rishabh. Good. Very nice. Carry on. Five more seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Relax. Relax, everyone. Okay. Now we move to the next movement, which is jumping jacks. Okay. And how are we going to do it? Again, a shorter band. You are going to wear this band below your knees and your calves. Okay, it is not up, it is down. And right here, you start your jumping jacks. Okay, got it? So just have a look at the position of the band. It is right below the knees on the calves, or you may take it down further. Okay, so here is my calf. Just take it down further, or you can just place it here, but it has to be below the knees. Okay, and the jumping jacks, they look like this. Got it? Yes? Okay, let's get ready. Take your position. Yes, Rishabh, you will be doing usual jumping jacks. Starting in 3, 2, 1, start. Jumping jacks with the band. Yes, very good. Very nice. Good. Three, 1. Relax. Okay. I will not be giving you much rest here. Get ready. In 5 seconds, we start the second set. Start. Yes, try to keep your legs wider. Very nice. Good Mukund, good. Good Deepa. Yes, make sure you don't join your legs completely, otherwise the band will fall. Five, four, three, two, one. Relax. Okay, Shweta, we are doing jumping jacks with the band. Yes. Okay. Another 5 seconds, then we do the third set. Yes, let's see some heart pumping there. Okay, start. Jumping jacks. Yes. Very nice. Good, good. Bhavna, lift up both the feet and take them out. Don't drag them. Lift up. Yes, it has to be a jump. Good, good. 10 more seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Relax. Okay. All right. Let's move to the next movement. It is abductor pulses. Okay. And how are we going to do it? So, wear your band right just where it was during the jumping jacks. Okay. Around your calf muscle. And lie down. Now just watch the movement. Raise your legs up and open them out. 1, 2, 3, 4, like this. Okay. You don't have to join your legs every time. This relaxes your muscles. Okay. So the movement starts when there is tension in your abductors, and from here you move them out, 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 keeping your knees straight. Okay. If you don't have a band, you can do it otherwise also, but it looks like this. Out, 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 out. Okay, yes? Alright. Let's get ready. Lie down everyone. Smaller band around your calves. Starting in, yes, Rishabh, lie down. Try doing this movement. Yes, Rishabh, you need to unmute yourself if you are saying something.
Hello?
Yeah, yeah.
I won't be able to do that movement actually.
Okay, okay. So I'll tell you an alternative. Let me start it for them.
Sure, sure.
Okay. All right, start everyone. Okay, Rishabh, what you will be doing is you will be doing Superman. So you need to lie down and raise your arms and your legs up and down. Up,
Okay.
pause and down. Yes?
Yeah.
Let's go for it. Start. Carry on, Deepa. Five, four, three, two, one. Relax. Okay. Second set. Let's get ready. Take your positions. Starting in 3, 2, 1, go. Yes. Try it, Rishabh. Up and down, up, down, up, down. Five, four, three, two, one. Relax. So I'm giving you only 30 seconds in this set, not 40. But don't rest in between. Okay? Alright. Third set. Take your position, starting in 3, 2, 1, go. Knees straight. Pull your legs out, out. Five more seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Relax. Okay. Rest. Take off your band. Get up. Take a walk. Everyone take a walk. Now we move to upper body strength and conditioning using the resistance band. We will be doing bicep curls, lat pulls down and band pulls out. Okay. 3 movements, 2 sets each. Let's watch. Everyone just watch what we are going to do. So, loop your band. In one loop, place your legs, both the legs. Okay, so just let me show you my lower body. So, this is the loop. Okay, place your one foot on one on the other. So, this is the stance that you make. And so if it is a tube or it is a band, you will be holding it like this. Okay, so it is joined from here, you will be holding it like this. Since I have the handle, I'll be showing you with the handles. And how are we going to do it? Just watch. So stand in a comfortable stance, chest out, back straight. Lift up and down. Up, pause and down. Now when you go down, you might feel that you lost the resistance, but you need to open up your arms. Okay, lift up, pause and down. Lift up, pause and down. Don't move your elbows, elbows remain there. Okay, lift up, pause and down. And just watch the hand movement. So hands are not here, don't lift up like this. Your fist is clenched like this throughout. Your wrist doesn't move. Okay, yes, let's try that everyone.
Band below your
Mehak,
feet.
I don't have the.
Just a second. Yes, Deepa, tell me.
Mehak, is the band under your feet? Like you?
Yes, yes, band is under, the longer band is under the feet. Yes, Bhavna, you were saying something?
Mehak, I don't have the long band. What should I do?
Dumbbells. Hold the dumbbells and we will be doing bicep curls. Okay? Alright, let's get ready. 40 seconds of bicep curls. Starting in 3, 2, 1, start. Bharat, from one end you need to loop. Otherwise you won't be able to take it up. Yes. Yes. Now hold it and loop it up and down. Yes. Mukund, you're not able to take it up. Why? I need to see your front body. Just show me what you are doing. Okay, you are doing a double loop. Just put your feet under one single loop. That will give length to your band. Yes, try doing it like that. Carry on, carry on. 3, 2, 1, relax. Okay. Shweta, tilt your camera angle. I need to see your upper body.
महक फिस्ट ऐसे रखना है, ऐसे रखना है.
So fist is like this. It is not like this. It is like this.
ऐसे ना, ठीक है.
Like this. Okay. And don't let it move. So while even when you are going down, the fist remains like that. Up and up. Up and up. Okay. Yes. All right. Okay. Second set, everyone. Let's get ready. Start. Open up your arms full. Yes. Shweta, don't change your arm angle. Up and down from here only. Up, down. Yes. Yes, very good, Risha. Very nice. Carry on. Relax. Okay. Take a walk. We'll be doing one more set. Okay, get ready. One more set. Bicep curls. Starting in 3, 2, 1, start. 40 seconds, bicep curls started. Yes, Bharat, slightly take your elbows back. Bharat, yes. And stand straight while you do it. Yes. Up and down. Yes. Pause and down. Yes, good. Okay, relax everyone. Alright, let's move to the next movement now. We have lat pulls down. Okay, preferably a shorter band we will be using for that, and just see what we are going to do. So that's my band. Hold it up. Okay, like this. Now pull it from one side down, back up, down, back up, down, back up, down, back up. So lat pulls down, this is my lat muscles, this is a workout for this muscle. So what you are going to do, hold a shorter band, hold it from both the ends, one end remains up, pull it down. Now when you pull it down, this arm does, the other arm doesn't move, okay? And don't end up doing this. Don't do this. This is archer pulls, okay? This is another workout. What we are trying to do is pull down and up, down and up. Now watch it from the side. So my band is here. It is not here, and I'm not pulling down like this. It is here. I pull down here. Watch the arm angle. And up, down, and up, down. So this is the angle that I form, and I take it up. Okay, yes? Let's try doing it for 40 seconds. If you don't have a band, what you can do is you can do shoulder press like this. Okay, yes? Shweta, Rishabh, you will be doing shoulder press with the dumbbells. Start everyone. Let's see where we are. Yes, Mukund, you need to bend your elbow. So just watch it. Here's my band. So you need to bend your elbow. Yes, bend your elbow and up. Bend your elbow and up. Yes. Yes, Rishabh, that's fair enough. Bharat, you need to take your elbow out like this. This is your end point. Yes. Down. Watch the wrist. It is stable. Yes. And up. Down. Pause and up. Yes. Okay. Relax everyone. Take a breather. Okay. Second set, same movement. Let's get ready. Start. Yes. Good, Deepa, good. Very nice. Mukund, relax your shoulders. Don't engage your traps. Pull down more. Yes. Much better, much better. Yes. Carry on, carry on. Relax. Okay. One last set. Let's get ready. Mukund, is the band too heavy?
It's 13 to 15.
But the movement is slightly restrictive. So I'll tell you what is happening. So when you are taking it down, you're kind of engaging your traps and doing this.
Yeah.
Okay. What I want you to do is don't engage your traps. This is a lat workout. Okay. So when you pull the band down, it is your upper back or your lats that is engaged. Okay.
Are you hooking it in? Are
You
hooking
can
it?
hook it. You can hook it also. I'm just holding it like this, but you can use it like this also. So just take your hands inside and hook it like that also. You can hook it also. Both the movements are correct, whether you do it like this or like that. Yes. Yes, much better, much better, much better. Okay, yes. But keep your wrist straight. So when you, even when you're hooking it, this should be the movement of the hand. Okay? Hand should not be here. This should be there. Yes. Much better, Mukund. Okay. All right, let's get ready. Second set. Take your position. Sorry, third set. Start. Pause it there when you take your band down. Pause it. Yes. Mukund, you need to pull it out and front. So just watch it from the side. So if I'm here, just keep watching me everyone while you do it. So you pull it on the side and take it up. Down and up. Down and up. Feel your lat muscles while you do it. Down and up. Down and up. Down and up. Yes. 5 more seconds. Down and up. Down and up. Down and up. Okay, relax. Good. Okay. Let's move to the next movement now. We have band pulls out. We would need a longer band. Okay, if you don't have a band, you will do it with dumbbells. And what are we going to do? So, hold your resistance band like this. Slightly wider, right across your shoulders. Okay? And from here, you need to pull it out. 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 Just with the way we did with our legs. Out. Out. Okay? Watch it from the side. Out. Out. Yes? You will not bring it in and fold it like this. It starts where you feel the resistance. Those who don't have a band, what you will be doing is, you will bring your dumbbells like this. Out. 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 Alright, yes? If you feel this dumbbell is very heavy, so what you can do is, you can do the shoulder raise with one single dumbbell in that case. Okay? But just try it, doing it with both the dumbbells. Start everyone. Yes, Bhavna, start the workout. Yes, out.
This is difficult for me, Mehak. I'm not able
This
to
is
do that.
difficult. No, not an issue, not an issue. So, what you will be doing, Shweta, you will hold one single dumbbell and just do shoulder raises. Slowly bring your dumbbell down, up and down. Okay? This is what you are going to do. Yes, good, Rishabh, good. Carry on. Deepa, don't fold your elbows. Elbows remain straight.
Mehak, in this, we have to bring our hand down or no? Like,
No, its hand stays up in the air.
okay.
Relax everyone. Okay, Bhavna, if it is difficult, you can just do shoulder raises with one single dumbbell in your hand. Okay? Alright, Deepa, just look at the movement. So I'm here. I don't fold my elbows. Arms out and in. Out and in. And just bring in as much your loop doesn't form of the band. There is a constant resistance here. Okay? Out and in. Out and in. Okay? That is the movement. Alright, let's do one more set of this. Take your position. Start. Yes, Shweta, you will be doing shoulder raises up and down. Yes. Yes. Rishabh, just take your dumbbell up till the shoulder level. Slightly above and down. Up and down. Up and down. Yes. Yes. Good, Deepa. Good. Don't let the loop form. Relax. Okay, we'll be doing one more set. Positions. Starting in 3, 2, 1, go. Yes. So Deepa, what you do is, I'll tell you. Hold only from one loop. Okay? The other loop, don't hold two loops together. Hold only one loop. Yes. And now try it out and in. Yes. Much better, much better. There you go. Good. So anyone who finds difficulty in rotating the band like that can use one loop of the band. Okay? Don't use double. 5 more seconds. 3, 2, 1. Relax. Okay. All right. Now, we are through with the lower body, upper body. Now we come to bicycle crunches, the core workout, bicycle crunches and plank side toe touch. All right. Very interesting movements. Let's watch it. Rishabh, I'll alter the movement for you if you're not able to do, but first try it. Okay. So that I see what is the discomfort. All right. Now, bicycle crunches. Wear your smaller band on your feet. Okay, my feet are, between the feet is what I am wearing the band. Okay, and for this, lie down. Your upper body has to be in the crunch like this to begin with. Fold one leg, lift up, crunch. Other leg, lift up, crunch. 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 Okay, yes, that's the movement. Those who don't have the band can do the bicycle crunches otherwise as well. The movement looks same. The movement looks like this. Okay, yes, let's go for it. Rishabh, try it.
I won't be able to do
You
the
will not be.
bicycle.
Okay.
Yeah.
So what you will be doing is hold one single dumbbell in your hand. Lie
Yeah.
down. Okay. Come up in a crunch, go down. Crunch,
Okay.
down. Crunch, down. Okay. Yes. Got it?
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay. Let's go for it. 40 seconds, everyone. Starting in 3, 2, 1, go. Yes. Open up your leg. Yes, Bhavna, let's go for the crunches. Yes, good, Shweta, good. Very nice, Mukund, good. Carry on, guys. You still have 10 seconds. 3, 2, 1. Relax. Okay. All right. Let's do the counter of this movement, the partner movement, which is plank in out. Okay. And we do one more set of these two movements together. Now, again, with the plank in out, you need to wear your band right across your calves or slightly below it. Okay? Not on your feet, but on your calves. Now, how are we going to do it? Either be in the elbow or in the palm. That is, I leave it up to you. Both are correct. So you are here. Leg out, in. Out, in. So watch it from the back angle. Out, in. Out, in. Out, in. Okay, yes, this is what we are going to do. Let's get ready. Wear your band right across your legs. Okay, be in the plank position. Starting in 3, be in the plank, Shweta. Starting in 3, 2, 1, start. Shweta, we are doing planks. Deepa, planks, planks. Turn around, yes. Plank, feet in and out. Yes, I'll show you again. Others carry on. So you are here. Take your leg out, in. out, in, out, in. Okay, relax everyone. Relax. Okay. Now, the second set will be bicycle crunches 40 seconds, 15 seconds of rest and 40 seconds of plank side to side toe touch. Okay, the two movements one after the other with a rest of 15 seconds in between. Get ready for the bicycle crunches. Take your position, starting in 3, 2, 1, go. Yes, very good. Bhavna, you need to crunch. Touch your elbows to your knees. Crunch, yes. Lift your upper body. Lift your upper body and crunch. Yes, lift your upper body. Very good. Straighten the other leg. Take down the other leg, yes. Ten more seconds, everyone. Don't give up. Keep crunching. 3, 2, 1. Relax. Okay. Adjust your band. Get ready for plank side to side. Take your position. Starting in 3, 2, 1, go. Side to side, plank to toe, yes. Make sure the torso is stable. Yes, Shweta, slightly bring your torso down, otherwise the movement is fine. Bhavna, torso down, keep looking straight. Yes, Mukund, slightly take your body ahead. Yes, there you go. Keep doing that, everyone. 10 more seconds we have. Relax. Okay. So we are through with our workout. Relax yourself, keep your bands back. So today what we did was, we did a full body resistance band workout. We focused on lower body, upper body as well as core. Alright. So